The Nike Ja2 Team Bank in black and white delivers a sleek, performance-ready look with a timeless edge. Featuring a predominantly black upper with clean white accents, this versatile colorway offers a minimalist style that pairs effortlessly with both athletic and casual wear. Designed for hoopers and sneakerheads alike, the shoe blends form and function, with lightweight construction and responsive cushioning for comfort, stability, and grip on the court. Its supportive fit and durable materials ensure it holds up through intense gameplay, while the classic black and white scheme adds everyday appeal. Whether you're lacing up for competition or heading out in style, the Ja2 Team Bank brings versatility to any rotation. With its balanced combination of cutting-edge tech and understated design, this model is perfect for those who demand both performance and polish in their footwear. A reliable go-to, it's a must-have for athletes and casual wearers alike.